The 2027 Tundra introduces the new Trailhunter package, a rugged overlanding offering based on the SR5 grade and built for customers who want enhanced trail performance straight from the factory. This package adds Michelin LTX Trail 265/70 R18 tires, an Old Man Emu upgraded suspension, front recovery hooks, and additional underbody protection to help prepare the truck for more demanding terrain. Positioned at a more accessible price point, the Trailhunter package helps make adventure-ready capability more attainable for customers looking to get out and explore. The package also includes key off-road technologies such as multi-terrain select, crawl control, and a locking rear differential, supporting traction and control in a wide range of challenging conditions. Trailhunter further distinguishes itself with unique bronze-colored wheels and exclusive badges, creating a strong visual identity that matches its capability-focused hardware. Together, these features make Trailhunter a compelling choice for customers seeking a more adventure-ready Tundra with genuine overlanding character. The 2027 Tundra is offered in a range of grades to meet the needs of a broad spectrum of truck customers. Grades include SR, SR5, Limited, Platinum, 1794 Edition, TRD Pro and Capstone, along with the available Trailhunter package for customers seeking enhanced factory-built overlanding capability. The truck is available with both gas and hybrid powertrain options, with a gas-powered twin-turbo V6 delivering strong everyday performance and towing capability, while the available hybrid iForce Max powertrain adds even more torque and responsiveness for customers who want enhanced capability. Together, these grades and powertrain choices help Tundra serve customers looking for work-ready utility, premium comfort, off-road performance, and everyday versatility.